Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about small formatting, how to do or how to make a one-to-one session form. This kind of session forms are usually used in every industry, wherever there is an interaction between your manager or between the employee. So this kind of interaction has to be there always in order to enhance or in order to develop the people. So I have just created this small 10 questions, 10 topics which are supposed to be discussed during one-to-one session. Your questions could be anything, but what I have created here is basic questions regarding hospitality industry, so which combines personal questions to professional questions. So in this session form I have done some formatting using developer tab, so which I'm gonna discuss with you. So if in case you're looking for to create this kind of session form, so please check out this video until the end. So these are the few questions which I have mentioned here, basic questions, and some about the professional questions, I believe, which covers the whole thing, which covers whatever the requirement supposed to be. Alright, so once we done with those questions could be anything, then we will talk about the session result, which requires the developer tab in Excel and how it works, how do we create those. Okay, as you can see here in the session result, I have made this how did you find the session, and I'm given the options. So how do you make these options? That's the thing I'm going to talk about in the video. You got options here: dissatisfied, slightly satisfied, satisfied, and extremely satisfied. If you click one of those, so rest all will be unclicked. Or how do we make those groups? So that's pretty much about this form. Now we'll just talk about how we're gonna create those options here. So let's get started. In your Excel, go to developer tab, and in insert option you've got some options, but before I do that I'm gonna delete them and I'm going to show you. To delete, you can just click on right click and cut. You got option, right click and then click on cut, so it will all be deleted. And to select this group also, you need to double click and click cut, it will also be removed. So how I created all those, I'm gonna show you right now here. I go to insert in the developer tab and I choose this option. Now you can create this option here like that, so it automatically comes like this button. Now you have option, you can simply just copy and paste 4 if you need 4, if you need 3, if you need 2, so depends how many you're gonna need, and you can adjust them, their size and their place. And to change what is mentioned in, you need to again right click on that option and edit text. To go to edit the text, first you need to adjust where exactly you're gonna put them. It takes a little bit of time, but when you already know what exactly you need to do, so it will be easier for you. So just drag to adjust. To highlight this, remember you need to do the right click on it always. Yes. So now let's go again. To make this group line, you need to go back again to insert in developer tab. which is here. It's called group. You can drag that line until wherever you want to create that group. As you can see, there's a group name appears on top. When you double click on the group name, you can even edit the text. You can delete, you can, if you want to write something, you also write. So if I simply delete, so it will be deleted. Now I want to change the name of the options. Simply click on edit data by right clicking. You type whatever you want to type. Example, for instance, I'm typing here 4 options which I have already mentioned down. It's dissatisfied, slightly satisfied, satisfied, and extremely satisfied, which I'm gonna put. So it simply works through developer tab. But the question here, how the developer tab appears there, because in most cases the developer tab is not there automatically. So to get the developer tab in your computer, when you click on file in Excel, go to options, and far down you will see options. When you click on options, you will have an option to add developer tab in your functions. That's pretty much easy. For that also you could check out the video I have already made. I will give you the link in the description. So now we have already done the formatting and little bit just to adjust. So this kind of form, once it is created, you can use it online, or you could also print and give it to the employees to use, to fill out. That's pretty much easy, guys, I hope. So if you're looking to create this kind of session form, you could create it very easily. If you want to remove grid lines, and you could see, to make it a little more beautiful, you can remove the grid lines. You have options even to remove heading and formula bar. That's also happens in the view tab, which I have already made a new video about the view tab, particularly all the functions, how does it work. So to learn more about Excel, you could check out my other videos, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, flash fill. There are a lot of more formulas, functions I have created many more videos about. So this is pretty much about this, guys. Thank you so much.